Okay, welcome back to another video, 747 fishing. Today I'll show you how to use the DJI Phantom 4 drone. Pretty easy to use. Put the battery in. It's only one way, so you can't put it this way. And then you feel, zack, moving in. When you put the blades on, make sure the silver color goes on the silver fittings. Black goes on black. Yeah, pretty easy to set up. Wide, wide. So then you take the gimbal off. That's a protection for the camera. And then we insert a memory chip over at this port. See, can't put it this way, so you know you're wrong way. Fits it. Cool. Okay, showing you how to set up the remote control. Oops. So, connect your knob. What did you do? This. Make sure it's sitting properly. Connect your phone. DJI Phantom 4, and then you need to switch it on. To switch it on, take the button, one short, and then you just hold until all the lights beep on, and that's your drone on. Get that sound. Then the remote control. The same thing, one time the button, and then you hold it until the sound comes up. Then the phone will say go fly. Put the aerials out. Cool. Just have to wait till he finds all the satellites. Cool, you see the camera. Push the start button.